Hey everyone, have you ever imagined living in a home so small yet so perfectly designed that it feels like a luxurious retreat? Tiny homes are redefining the way we think about space, sustainability, and style. From cozy cottages to ultra-modern designs, these compact dwellings prove that bigger isn't always better. Join us as we explore 7 incredible tiny homes that will inspire you to rethink compact living in the most exciting ways. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The glass cabin embracing nature without boundaries. Have you ever dreamed of waking up surrounded by nature, with the morning light pouring in and nothing but breathtaking views on every side? The glass cabin makes that dream a reality. This tiny home is designed to bring you closer to the great outdoors while providing a cozy and luxurious living experience. It's like living in a crystal-clear sanctuary where nature becomes part of your home. From the outside, the glass cabin is a showstopper. Its sleek, modern design is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass panels that create a seamless connection with the world around you. Imagine being nestled in the heart of a forest, with trees standing tall around you, or perhaps on a mountainside overlooking a serene valley. The reflective glass ensures your privacy by day while blending perfectly into its environment. At night, it transforms into a glowing beacon of comfort under the stars. It's more than just a tiny home, it's an immersive experience. Inside, the glass cabin feels surprisingly spacious and intimate all at once. The minimalist design allows the scenery to take center stage, but every detail has been carefully thought out. You'll find a compact yet luxurious living area with soft furnishings that complement the natural tones outside. The kitchen, though small, is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, making it easy to whip up meals without sacrificing style or function. The lofted sleeping space gives you a cozy perch to unwind, with unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape to greet you every morning. What makes the glass cabin truly magical is how it transforms your relationship with nature. It's perfect for anyone who craves peace, serenity, and inspiration. Whether you're seeking a weekend retreat or a full-time residence, this tiny home redefines what it means to live simply yet beautifully. With the glass cabin, you're not just living in a house, you're living in harmony with the world outside, creating memories as clear and unforgettable as the views around you. The urban cube, a compact dream in the city. Picture yourself in the heart of a bustling city, but instead of being cramped in a tiny apartment, you're living in a space that feels like a personal oasis. That's the magic of the urban cube. This sleek, modern tiny home is the ultimate solution for compact living in urban areas. With its clever design and stylish features, it proves that you can have all the comforts of a full-sized home in a fraction of the space. The urban cube stands out with its bold, boxy structure and innovative use of vertical space. From the outside, it's a geometric marvel, with clean lines and contemporary finishes that give it an edgy, modern vibe. Its modular design allows it to fit perfectly into even the tightest city spaces, making it ideal for rooftops, small plots, or hidden courtyards. The exterior is customizable too. Choose from sleek metal panels, eco-friendly wood cladding, or even a living wall to make it uniquely yours. Step inside, and you'll be amazed at how much is packed into the urban cube. The open-plan layout feels surprisingly spacious thanks to high ceilings and strategic use of natural light from cleverly positioned windows and skylights. The main living area is multifunctional, with a comfy seating area that transforms into a dining space or even an extra sleeping area. The kitchen is compact yet ultra-efficient, with hidden storage, smart appliances, and everything you need to cook up a storm without feeling cramped. Upstairs, the lofted bedroom is a true escape, a cozy retreat with just enough privacy while still feeling connected to the rest of the home. The bathroom is another surprise, featuring high-end fixtures and even a walk-in shower. The urban cube's real brilliance lies in its ability to adapt to your needs. Whether you're working from home, hosting friends, or just unwinding after a long day, this tiny home proves you don't need a mansion to live your best life. It's a perfect example of how compact living can be both functional and fabulously stylish in the heart of the city. The floating haven life on water. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves with the sunrise casting golden reflections on the water all around you. Welcome to the floating haven, a tiny home that takes compact living to a whole new level. This innovative waterborne retreat combines the charm of a cozy living space with the serenity of a floating lifestyle. If you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the city grind and living closer to nature, this is your chance to experience life as you've never imagined. The floating haven is a marvel of modern design, built to rest gracefully on the water while blending perfectly with its surroundings. The exterior is sleek and minimalist, with large windows and sliding glass doors that give you uninterrupted views of the water. The deck wraps around the structure, offering the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee, catch the sunset, or even dip your toes in the water. Whether anchored at a peaceful lake or moored in a lively marina, this home fits right in and brings a touch of elegance wherever it floats. Inside, the space is cleverly designed to make every square foot count. The open-plan living area feels surprisingly spacious thanks to the natural light streaming through those panoramic windows. A cozy seating area doubles as storage, and the compact kitchen is equipped with all the essentials for whipping up your favorite meals. Imagine cooking dinner with the water shimmering just outside your window. It's the kind of magic the floating haven promises every day. The lofted bedroom offers a snug and private retreat, complete with a skylight for stargazing as you drift off to sleep. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower and eco-friendly fixtures that keep sustainability at the forefront. And here's the best part. This tiny home isn't just about style. It's designed for off-grid living, with solar panels, water filtration systems, and energy-efficient appliances. The floating haven turns your dream of living in harmony with nature into a beautiful, tangible reality. It's proof that the best things in life often come in the smallest, most unexpected packages. The convertible cabin flexibility meets functionality. What if your home could adapt to your needs, changing shape and purpose as easily as flipping a switch? That's exactly what the convertible cabin offers. This tiny home is a masterclass in versatility, built for those who crave a space that works as hard as they do. Whether you're hosting friends, enjoying a quiet evening, or setting up a workspace for a productive day, this tiny marvel has you covered. It's not just a house, it's a living, breathing extension of your lifestyle. The first thing you'll notice about the convertible cabin is its clever, multifunctional design. The exterior is sleek and unassuming, but step inside, and you'll find a world of possibilities. The centerpiece of this home is its modular furniture, designed to transform at a moment's notice. A dining table folds away into the wall, revealing a hidden desk. The couch converts into a bed with a simple pull, and sliding panels allow you to create private spaces whenever you need them. This isn't just compact living, it's smart living. Natural light streams in through expansive windows, making the space feel open and airy despite its compact size. The kitchen is a marvel of efficiency, featuring fold-out counters and hidden storage that reveal themselves like magic. Cooking becomes a joy when everything you need is within arm's reach, and cleanup is just as seamless. It's the kind of design that makes you wonder why all homes aren't built this way. And yes, there's room for your morning coffee rituals with a cozy breakfast nook that doubles as a workstation when duty calls. At night, the convertible cabin transforms again into a restful retreat. The lofted sleeping area is cozy and inviting, complete with soft lighting and space-saving shelves to store your essentials. But here's the real game changer. This tiny home isn't just built for flexibility, it's built to last. Sustainable materials, energy-efficient features, and off-grid capabilities ensure you're living lightly while enjoying maximum comfort. With the convertible cabin, every square inch works for you, proving that tiny living doesn't mean compromising. It means living smarter and more creatively than ever before. The Tiny Farmhouse rustic charm in a small package. Imagine waking up to the soft creak of wood floors, the scent of fresh herbs growing by your window, and sunlight streaming through charming barn-style windows. The tiny farmhouse brings all the warmth and nostalgia of country living into a compact, beautifully designed home. It's proof that you don't need a sprawling estate to enjoy the rustic charm of farmhouse life. This tiny treasure is the perfect blend of old-world aesthetics and modern functionality, creating a homey retreat that feels like it's straight out of a storybook. From the outside, the tiny farmhouse welcomes you with its classic pitched roof shiplap siding and inviting front porch. It's the kind of place that just begs for a rocking chair and a steaming cup of coffee. Step inside and you'll find that every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed to evoke comfort and simplicity. The living area features exposed wooden beams and a cozy seating area that doubles as storage. With a compact wood-burning stove, You'll be ready to curl up with a book or enjoy a quiet evening with friends, no matter the season. The kitchen is where the tiny farmhouse truly shines. Imagine a farmhouse sink surrounded by butcher block counters with open shelving that displays your favorite rustic dishware. The designers have cleverly integrated pull-out drawers and foldable surfaces, giving you plenty of space to prep your favorite recipes. There's even a little dining nook that's perfect for morning pancakes or a candlelit dinner. Every detail, from the copper fixtures to the handmade tiles, whispers of a simpler, more intentional way of life. Upstairs, the lofted bedroom feels like a cozy haven, complete with soft linens and views of the surrounding landscape. The natural materials and warm tones make it a space where you can truly unwind. And if you step outside, you'll find a small garden area ready for herbs, flowers, or even a couple of chickens if that's your thing. The tiny farmhouse isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle, a way to embrace the beauty of simple living while staying connected to nature. With this little gem, you can bring a piece of the countryside wherever you go, proving that home is truly where the heart is. The Solar Haven, a sustainable paradise. Picture a home where every sunrise not only lights up your day but powers your entire life. That's the Solar Haven, a tiny house that's not just a home but a vision of sustainable living. Imagine living completely off the grid, harnessing the energy of the sun while surrounded by comfort and style. The Solar Haven is perfect for anyone who dreams of reducing their carbon footprint without giving up modern conveniences. It's not just a house, it's a statement of harmony with nature. From the outside, the Solar Haven instantly catches your eye with its sleek, modern design and an array of solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof and walls. This tiny home is as efficient as it is beautiful. You'll love the large windows that fill the interior with natural light, creating an airy and open feel despite its compact size. Step inside, and you're greeted with an eco-friendly sanctuary. Bamboo flooring, reclaimed wood accents, and energy-efficient appliances show you that going green doesn't mean sacrificing style. The Solar Haven is built around smart technology that maximizes every watt of energy. The kitchen features induction cooktops, a solar-powered fridge, and water-saving fixtures, all designed to make sustainability effortless. Picture yourself cooking up a meal in this high-tech space while knowing you're leaving a minimal environmental impact. And when the sun goes down, energy-storing batteries keep the lights on and the home running smoothly. It's a setup that's not just practical, it's empowering. The Solar Haven also connects you with the great outdoors. Imagine stepping out onto your deck, complete with a rainwater harvesting system for your garden. This house encourages you to live closer to nature, whether that means growing your own food or just enjoying the serenity of your surroundings. With its eco-friendly materials, smart energy solutions, and comfortable design, the Solar Haven proves that you can live sustainably and still enjoy all the comforts of modern life. It's more than a tiny home. It's a sustainable paradise where you can live your greenest life. The Floating Escape, a tiny houseboat dream. Imagine waking up every morning to the gentle sway of water and the sound of waves lapping against your home. That's the magic of the Floating Escape, a tiny houseboat that takes compact living to a whole new level on water. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle of adventure and tranquility rolled into one. Whether you're a water lover or someone looking for a unique getaway, the Floating Escape offers an irresistible blend of comfort and wanderlust. From the outside, the Floating Escape is a showstopper. Its sleek design combines nautical charm with modern elegance. Picture large wraparound windows reflecting the glistening water and giving you panoramic views of the world outside, whether you're docked at a peaceful marina or floating in a secluded cove. The rooftop deck is a dream come true, perfect for sipping your morning coffee, sunbathing, or enjoying the stars at night. It's like having your own private paradise wherever you go. Step inside, and you'll feel an immediate sense of coziness and practicality. Every inch of this houseboat has been thoughtfully designed to make life on the water as seamless as possible. The compact kitchen comes equipped with all the essentials. Think built-in appliances, clever storage, and even a small dining nook with views of the water. The living area, with its plush seating and calming, nautical-themed decor, invites you to kick back and relax. And the bedroom? Imagine drifting off to sleep with the soft rocking of the waves. It doesn't get more serene than that. What really sets the Floating Escape apart is its off-grid capabilities. Solar panels on the roof power your essentials, while water filtration systems keep things sustainable. This houseboat isn't just about luxury, it's about freedom. You're not tied to any one place. Your backyard is wherever you decide to drop anchor. Whether you dream of exploring coastal towns, hidden lakes, or even open waters, the floating escape lets you live your best life on your terms. It's more than a tiny home, it's a tiny adventure waiting to happen. And that wraps up our journey through 7 incredible tiny homes that truly redefine compact living. From sustainable havens to adventurous floating escapes, these homes prove that great design can transform small spaces into extraordinary experiences. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big, even in tiny spaces.